lovelies, how are you guys? Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing great too. How is your quarantine going? Mine is going, doing lots of work, creative works, cooking, painting, and lots of other stuff. But today I came with this idea of bringing a handi chicken for you guys, in which I have used this clay pot called handi, which reminds me of those olden days when people used to do all their cooking in those clay pots, which was very healthy and full of nutrients and very reasonable too. Let's move to the kitchen and start our recipe. Chopped onions, green chilies, ginger paste, garlic paste, tomato puree, fresh coriander chopped, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt to taste, kasuri methi, garam masala, bay leaves, black cardamom, green cardamom, cloves, cinnamon stick, red chilies, black peppercorn, and carom seeds ajwain. Here I'm taking 5 to 6 chicken drumsticks. Here I've taken handi pot to make the tadka, and I'm taking 3 tablespoons of oil in that. Now it's the time to add onions. Let them be translucent and add bay leaves and all the masalas. Now we have to saute it for 2 to 3 minutes and add ginger garlic paste. Let it roast for 2 minutes and add all the masalas except garam masala and kasuri methi. Now we have to stir it and let it roast for 3 to 4 minutes and add puree, tomato puree, and some water, and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Once you see a little bit of oil coming up, add chicken drumsticks and stir. Add some more water, about half cup, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes with a lid on. But in the meantime, you need to keep an eye, and once you see the masala is getting thick, add some more water, and same time you can add kasuri methi and garam masala. Cook for another 5 minutes and your chicken handi is ready to be served. Garnish it with fresh chopped coriander, tomatoes, and finely sliced ginger. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys will not be afraid to try this recipe and come with your beautiful creations, and let me know if you have any questions and concerns regarding this recipe. I would love to help you guys out. One more thing, if you guys try it, don't forget to post it and use my hashtag Simm.